Looks like the boys weren't able to do any work last week, other than put some stuff in the back. Here's the crumpled back. Looks like it was in a real bad accident. Real bad rust on the lip of the rear. Oh, Greg.
Hey.
A lot of cancer on the back quarter here. All being replaced. Took up the bottom section here, it looks like. And here's some major cancer. What's the prognosis for this week?
What's his name? Jose's going to give it an entire week this week.
Okay.
He has they've got award ceremony for his daughter at school, so he's coming in a little late today, but then he'll get it all lined up, get all the spots that we want to locate set up, and we'll cut the floor out and start there.
Great, great,
Yep.
Good start.
Put a floor and a firewall and a cowl. This cowl showed up last Friday,
Oh, good.
and this piece showed up on Thursday before. So we've got all the stuff through the front. Outside little cowl closeouts. I think one of them came in.
Uh-huh. Oh, good.
Yeah, we've got
What about the doors? Did they come in?
doors have not arrived yet. Those are coming. So we ordered a
You-
Bel Air body from them, and I think they're going to ship all that stuff together.
Okay.
Yeah.
You mentioned that you weren't sure whether it was going to be a Firebird door.
He says that that's what they use when they build their Firebird bodies, and so we'll just have to see. I'm not sure what the difference is. I can't really see them on the internet,
Right.
other than maybe something here. I don't know. We'll see.
Guess what? It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
I mean, as long as the door fits.
If it looks right, yeah, it's fine.
I mean, unless it's like the lines offset by 4
Yeah.
inches.
I think it'll be fine.
Cool. Cool.
I'm not entirely sure what all the differences are on the Camaro and Firebird of this year.
Yeah, me either.
I
I
don't know
wasn't.
what piece. I know that the front end is different.
The
But
front
and
end's
the tail
different.
is a little bit different.
Yeah, tail lights are a little bit different.
Other than that, I think they're basically the same.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, they're all F bodies. So are you missing anything or couldn't find anything?
I don't think so.
Okay, so
Yeah.
that's good.
Yeah, I think we've got everything we need.
Good.
At least if it's not here, it's on order.
Mm-hmm.
And if we can't get it, we'll make it.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Here is the new passenger door, just arrived today as I was getting ready to leave.